Welcome to another episode of the Rookie Meme Hunter Show, where we're trying to turn $5 into 5K. This video here, we're just going to do a little bit of an update. Also, we're going to add a couple of tokens to our HODL wallet. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke. Yeah. Okay, I was actually looking at a play. Let's go ahead. I'm going to add this play to my wallet. This is going to be Piers Morgan. I don't know what the hell, Piers Morgan or something like that. So let's see. Just going to hurry up and get this accomplished really quick because it's going fast. I should have actually already been in. I was sitting here toggling with my camera, so I was not really too happy about that. We're just going to go 0.02, our normal amount. We're going to hit enter, see if we can get in that really quick. Probably got in just a couple of seconds too late though, I will be honest, because when I got it, it's like there was no bar here, okay, and it was pretty much empty. The bears were eating it up. So I got in probably about that I was about the 12:48 mark, and then trying to set everything up, we ended up going up. All these buys that you're seeing, all these sells that you're seeing, most likely it's just the people who already bought and they're selling. See, now we're going up here, so we're gonna view our token here. Let's pull this out. Peshy, Blast, Morgan. Okay, so we're up 66 cents. This is going to be one of those quick flips that I be talking about that, sometimes I sit around and do. You can sit here and do this all day long, especially if you got about $100 in here. I think one day I had like 80-90 bucks in here. I wasn't doing nothing but just taking flip, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it was pretty good, but yeah, I'm just kind of keeping my eye on this because it is actively going up. And when it's actively going up, man, I'm telling you, if you plan on getting out right now, you need to make sure that you keep your eyes on what's going on, because it will be green 1 minute and then like 5 minutes later, you'll be in the freaking red, bro, and you won't be happy, especially if you planned on getting out right now. Okay, now this is another thing that you need to do before you hop in. We hopped in on the 15-minute chart, okay? So pretty much, if we wanted to get in and out right now, we would have jumped in on that 1 minute chart, okay? Because you can see it's going up. It's kind of pulling back just a little bit. But it's pretty much, if it does what I think it's going to do, it might end up stair-stepping its way up. Now, where it's going to go is the question of the day, if my chart ever will load up. Come on, partner. All right. So right now, we're at about 175K. So that's not bad. That is really low on the scheme of things. So if it's a good... Welcome to another episode of the Rookie Meme Hunter Show. That's me doing some editing on the other end. Got like 2-3 screens hooked up, blah, blah, blah. But it's pulling back just a little bit now. So it's about 160K. It's just people getting out, in and out, in and out. This is one of those plays where I was thinking I might gonna jump out like right away. I don't see any super big buys coming in that's gonna push that through the roof yet. Look at 730. I see that come out. 89 came out. Okay, so we're just going to let it go, and we'll keep doing what we're gonna do here. Okay, so basically, let me click here. Let's go to deck screener again. Okay. So one of the tokens that I was looking at putting into the HODL wallet, let's check to see how it's doing first. because it's one of those things where, you know, it just looks good. You know what I mean? It looks good. And, but it still can be gone tomorrow, okay, in a heartbeat. Liquidity is still rocking about 49K. It's kind of dropped back some, but that's okay. About 6 million in volume, so that's pretty high, Has some really good volume to it. This is going to be the 15-minute chart. Kind of had its run going up here. It kind of pulled back, and then it ran up again, okay, and then it's pulled back again. Typical M formation. Okay, you're going to see that a lot when you're dealing with these tokens. This little M formation, okay? And whether you're going to get another leg up. You know what? I haven't been seeing a bunch of that. That's what's crazy. Like, sometimes you get that third leg, and sometimes you just don't. All right? So, but anyways, this is Peshy, okay? The Pepe Shiba's son, okay? That's very interesting. And I thought that this was gonna be rocking, like, you know, but I mean, I know the Pepe and the Shiba thing is kind of old. They're on, you know, bigger and better things, Brett, and, you know, some more other stuff. But I thought that this one was gonna be good. Shiba and Pepe child, okay. So look, it's like the friends up there, Shiba and Peshy. Okay, this is gonna be the typical M formation we were just speaking about. Okay, the liquidity is pretty high. It's looking pretty good. Peshy story, how to buy Phantom Wallet, buy Solana, go through Radium, buy Peshy. Peshy roadmap, safeguard, trends, calls and raids, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, meme. So that's pretty good. You know, looks nice. I've learned to not really take too much, you know, blah blah into these websites of these memes. Because they're here today, gone tomorrow sometimes. But I actually liked Peshy. I thought Peshy maybe would be something interesting, okay, to have in my wallet just in case. Okay, so let's go on to the 1 second. Okay, so for the 1 second, we'll take that off. Here, let's go. For the 1 second chart, it's pretty much, so this is gonna be the 1 second chart. So if I pull out my rectangles here, we're gonna just board off a couple of areas real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna label that as the bottom of that move. Okay, so that's good. Okay, because what this is telling us is this is gonna be a point of resistance that it was not able to bust through, but it did reach up to this area right here. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now, like I said, I want to put some Peshy in my wallet. It's not like my my bot. You know, my bot, sometimes I'll really do thorough TA, you know, to try to get the best entry possible for my bot. But sometimes I don't. Sometimes I look at it on the 15-minute chart, my brain goes to mush, I just buy it, look at the 1 second and realize it's going down. I have to wait till it go up, okay? So, but don't make that mistake. You guys always check the charts. Make sure you get the best position that you can possible, okay? So it's looking like it's trying to get its legs to break through this point. We could buy in here, okay, if you can give us a, let's get a full chart view, and let's go on a 4 hour, let me see, reset. Okay, so this is kind of like what Peshy's looking like, okay. So as you can see, like I keep saying, is you guys will see the M, okay, and what it's looking like, it's kind of seeming like it's acting like it wants to do this, but I mean, this is what it did in the previous sections of this pattern. It went up, boom boom, pulled back. It went up, boom boom, pulled back. So what we're imagining is that it's going to go up, but that doesn't mean that that's going to happen. It actually could get some more legs and leg itself down, okay? So you just got to kind of watch out for that, all right? So what we're gonna do is we are going to take a look. I mean, we're going to get rid of all this, and then we're gonna hold this chart open, okay? And we might be able to get a little love in there, maybe, okay? So we're gonna go back to our Piers Morgan page real quick just to take a little look. Looks like we have a lot of sell orders coming in, but the bulls are in the house still. There's a lot of red in the sea down there. Not really much to this chart, so just give it a bit. It's gonna come down. Let's see what it's looking like on the 1 second chart. Because some people say the 1 second chart is too noisy. Some situations, some certain setups, some charts, the 1 second is a little noisy. So if it's just too noisy for you, you can't get nothing going, I suggest popping up to that 1 minute chart. Okay, if you pop up to that 1 minute chart, you get a better look, a better bead on how things are going, on how the trend is looking, because that's pretty much what you're trying to do, is see how that trend is looking. There's not really much. This just really released earlier, so we're just going to have to kind of wait to see what's going to happen. Is it a good time to get in right now? Maybe. You know, who knows? It has a website, Twitter, Telegram, so you guys can come and check it out. You know, we're going to go ahead and check our other token that we're going to actually look at was going to be Nay or something like that. Let me see. Nay, here it is right here. Oh, it's going to be Nay. It's Nay and it's going to be mute. So let's go to Nay really fast. I'll be making my videos too long. People don't be watching them all the way to the end. Let me see. So my charts are not loading up, taking too long. All right, good. Okay, so this is Nay on Sol. This is pretty good. I'm liking this. Well, this is the 15. Let me pull that up a little bit more. All right, I like how this chart looks. That's what we were waiting on earlier. We were waiting for this to pull back because it was around here earlier, and I said, no, I'm not gonna mess around. I'm just gonna wait it out. Okay, so it has pulled back to this range. This would be a good area to get in. Okay, now does that mean that it can't go through the floor? Nope, it sure could. And the liquidity is only 2K, volume's about 11K. It does have a website, Twitter, Telegram. This is where the dudes land on the ground, right? Yeah. And then it says, stand up, my son. You know, came play with Nay. Okay, I mean, it's a risky play. All these are risky plays, but you know, there's not a whole lot of volume. I mean, there's like 11K worth volume, but you know, look at this right here. 36 minutes ago. See, 1 hour, 40 minutes. So this token is not really getting much action. So what we're gonna do is you can either put this in your put it in your bot and just wait, because sometimes it'll surprise you. You will look at these charts and there will be no one in the house. You'll see it'll say 1 hour, 2 hours and all that. So no one's pretty much trading it right now. Next thing you know, like 2-3 hours later, like the volume be super up. You know, the charts be going stewy, going crazy. But we're just gonna leave this one alone, all right? So let's pop Nay off the screen completely, and then let's check at the Mu token, okay? The Mu token is gonna be one that they're saying that could be the next Pepe. I mean, the next dog with hat. I don't know. It's dropped back a little bit since earlier today. It's 2 zeros, 49.09 right now. Earlier it was at about, I think it was 205 a little earlier. It's not too far down from where it was a little earlier. I mean, it's still up. I was hoping that it would pull back. Let's see. It's at about, so it's still up about like a 60x or something like that. So it's still up there. It has lots of room to fall if it decided to. You know, I don't really know. We got our classic M formation here. Boom. And then it made its way down. Okay, it did what everyone thought it was gonna do, and then it pulled back up to the upside, pulled back a little bit, and it's seeing if it can pull up now. I don't see a lot of volume. I see a little bit more sellers in the house than volume right now, than buyers. So this is pretty much what it is. Mu is still a little bit too high. I'm gonna kind of wait. If let me see. Let me put this up really quick. If Cat in the Dog's World, the Mu token, if it breaks the 2089 mark, if it breaks this area, you would think that if it breaks this area, you're thinking that it's going for the upside, but then you have to take into account these tops here. We got kind of a double top going on here. Okay, so we'll see if this is going to be able to triple top it, which I doubt. To me, if you ask me, there's too much red in the sea. I kind of think it's going to come down some more, but that's why we're going to keep our eyes on it and kind of see what's up, because I would like to put the Mu token in the wallet. Cat in the Dog's World, Mu. For too long, dogs have ruled the world. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Typical meme. I will save them, all of them. In the dawn of a new era, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be million, billion. So it's about almost 89 billion. Wow. 90% burned LP, 10% airdrop to the Solana County. I don't think I got my airdrop. They didn't give me my issue, dog. Let's see. This is the Mu token, but that's pretty much what it is on this one right here. They got a Twitter page. They got a website. That's pretty good. I kind of liked it. You know what I mean? I was looking at it a little earlier. 68K on the followers. Oh, I still got to reboot my X page. I'll probably do that when we end this video. Let me go ahead and pop that off. I think I was looking a little earlier. I seen some engagement. There's some good engagement on there. So it's looking pretty good. Volume is about... Sorry, you guys just got off work. So volume is $74 million and the liquidity is 29 mil and it's locked. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my wallet. I think what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put it in now. I'm gonna actually watch it for a little bit. If it doesn't break this and it decides to break this little area here, if it breaks this little point of resistance right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just buy in and just say forget it. Okay, I should have bought in. Wait, sometimes you can't be whooping them brushes and all that. I should have bought in here. Okay, but like I said, it's hard to know. You know, you just don't know. But the only good thing is, you know, from me buying in here and me buying in here, you see the difference? Nothing. So I pretty much have actually a little bit better of a position now if I was to buy in now than as if I was to buy in over here. All right, so you guys like